Good morning, everyone. And how are you all? I hope you had a good weekend. Now, before we start today's lesson, I just want to tell all of you, you need to be very, very attentive. You must listen to the instructions carefully. And if there's something that goes fast, you can pause the video and play it again, okay? That's the thing of video. You can play it a number of times, you can play it again and again and again. So please make sure you follow the instructions, you look at the pictures, you listen to the number of boxes that is needed to be drawn. I also put up picture of the board, so you can look at that picture again and do the work. So please follow the instructions. And one more thing, please do your work neatly. Okay, some of you are very good, you are doing it absolutely fantastically well, but some of you are still not listening to instructions. You're not drawing lines after the sum. You are missing out on a number of things. So please listen to the instructions, okay? And if you think it's too fast, you can pause it, rewind it and play it again, okay? You can do all that in a video, alright? You can even save the video on your computer and play it again after a little time, okay? So please make sure your work is done correctly, okay? Alright, so today we are going to do the course book. We are still continuing with subtraction. So course book page 131. Your course book page 131. Alright, now I'm just going to explain this page. This is subtraction again. So you can see the subtraction is done without the decimal point. Okay, and then they put the decimal point. Remember, the decimal point comes after two places. Okay, only two. It doesn't come after 3, it doesn't come after 1. It comes after two places. Okay, so you must know where and how to put the decimal point for money. Alright, so this one is, children, how much did you save this week? So they are minusing the amount that they spend from the amount that they have saved. Okay, so my pocket money is 750. I spent 470. I saved 280. Then on the other side you can see the picture of the coins and the notes, and then minusing by crossing out what is spent. Right, so this is the two children, okay, and that's how they calculate. Okay, so turning to page 132. Alright, so write today's day and date. Today is Monday, the 2nd of November. You know how to write the day and date. 4 boxes and 6 boxes. Okay, please write correctly. Alright, no leaving lines, because if you leave lines then you cannot fit all the 3 boxes on one page. Some of you are not counting correctly, so that is why you can't fit, and then you're going to the new page. But if you count correctly, you can fit all on the same page. Alright? Okay, so the first line you write down course book page 132. Alright? Then leave a line, write down 1A in the margin. Leave a box and then draw a line of 10 boxes. Now I have written the number here, how many boxes, because you can count and you can see. You don't need to write the number, you just need to draw. Okay, so this is 10 boxes across and 5 boxes down. Alright? Okay, now inside the box you can leave 3 boxes and you leave 1 line and you write down before sale. Now remember, the box is very small, you need to write very small, okay? You need to squeeze and write, okay? Otherwise it won't fit. So before sale, it is $6. The decimal point is in red. And during sale, it is. Now remember to put the decimal point below the decimal point. Write the numbers below the numbers. last time some of you drew the boxes. This was written correctly, but the answer is written here. No, the answer should be written also under this. Okay? So, I have drawn a working column. You know the working column is how many boxes? 4 boxes from the end of the book. 4, okay? Now in the working column, you minus without the decimal point. Minus as usual, or as you normally minus numbers. Alright? So, 5, 3, 1. Okay? So, the answer is, now remember, savings, you can write the word savings in red as it's in the books. And remember to put the answer below. Don't put the answer on this side, okay? Below these 2 numbers. So 135. So you can see I have put the decimal place after 2, under the decimal. Please see how I am doing the work so that your work can also be done in the same way. Alright? Okay, next again, leave a line, draw a line. Alright, then leave 1 line, write B. Leave 1 box and draw a box. 10 and 5. 10 across, step 5 down. Okay? Then again you leave 1 line over here, leave 3 boxes and write down before sale. It is 28.50. Remember, you need to squeeze the numbers, okay? You cannot write 1 number in 1 box. You need to squeeze. Then, during sale. You see, I'm starting from the same point. That means you have to leave 3 boxes, okay? So you can't start 1 here before sale and then start here during sale. No. You must put 1 below the other. So again, I have my working column. I am going to minus without the decimal point. So you cannot take away 8 from 5. So alright, so this one is savings in red. Savings, the word is in red. In your book also it is in red. You can see your book, it is in red. So I'm just following from the book, okay? Again, see, I am drawing, I am writing below the number, okay? The decimal point is below the decimal point. Alright, you must make sure this comes, yes, it is squeezed, but you must make sure it comes in a line. Okay, and the last one is, again, you leave a line, draw a line, then leave a line, write C. This is again 10 across and 5 down. Okay, 10 across and 5 down. Then leave 1 line, leave 3 boxes, write down before sale. $15.60. Alright, so I'm again going to do in the working column. The working column can be all the way down, okay? You can draw it at one go. Yes, please put the minus sign, okay? If I forget, you must put. So this is 5, this is 6, and this is 4. So, savings is $4.65. Okay? Alright, so please do the sum. Alright? And if you have space, I asked you to leave 3, you can draw this guitar and this piano and this organ, okay? You can draw it. I'm going to show you the exercise book, how the work is done. You can have a look at it. Please see how all are done on all the sums are done on one page. Okay? You can see that. Alright?